Yeah. Now everything is fine, friends.
Yes, fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine, Ravi.
So this kind of switches, if this kind of switches are there, right? This kind of switches, just assume that we are taking this switch, right? Whenever we are pushing, this switch is what is that touching, and what is that right to left, our what electron is started to flowing. Electron is started to flowing. Again we are leaving that, what is that button. Then what will happen now? Then what? Then this button is came on the up. If we are pushing that, what is that down, then what is that again it will touch, and what will happen now? Then again electron will start to flowing. Again if we are leaving this switch, right, then what is that? It will come in our up position, right, in our direction. Then what will happen now? Then again electron will stop, electron will stop to flowing in from here to here, from here to here. Then what is that? If this kind of switch is there, if this kind of switch is there, that switch is called, what is that? Toggle switch. Toggle switch. Toggle switch. If this kind of switch is there, that kind of what switch is called what? Toggle switch. Now guys, toggle switch now. Okay, now another one is, what is that? Another one is what? Now push switch. Which one is called push switch now? Which one is called push switch now? Which kind of switch we are saying that push switch now? Now just assume that, now see, this is the cable, now this one is the wire, right? Now wire, this one is, this one wire, and this one is the wire. Now here what is that? We are taking one, here what is that? One switch is there, one switch is there. Now if we are pushing this switch will come here, it will touch, and electron again started to flowing. Once we are leaving, then what? This switch will come here, what? Again in same position, right? Same position. This kind of switch is called, what is that? Push switch. And where we are using this kind of switch now? Ring bells, right? Come on, people.
Yes, sir.
Ring bells, right? Whenever we are putting on the finger on that ring bell, then ring bells is starting to what? Ringing. Once we are leaving, then again switch is coming in the our own position or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now that kind of switch is called, what is that? Push switch. Push switch. Push switch, right? Push switch. Now same like, what is that? Just what is that? If we have, what is that? If we have multiple selections, right? Multiple selections. Just assume that multiple choice related switches. If we have, what is that? Multiple choice related switches. Multiple choice related switches. Multiple choice related switches. Multiple choice related switches, and in between our switch is there. This is the switch. This is the switch. If condition based, right? If condition based switches is there, right? Switches is there. Just assume that whenever we are putting, right? Whenever just a minute, guys. How I need to make this one as a okay, leave it. Yeah. Okay, no issues, right? Whenever we are putting here, right, then this button, electron will start. If we are taking here, what is that? This button, sorry, this wire, electron will start to flowing, right? If we are putting down, then what is that? Conditional based, guys, conditional based. Here electron will start to switching. Now here what is that? If we are taking on the up, then what is that? This one electron will start to flowing. This one will, what is that? Electron will start to flowing, means case based, right? Case one, let's take case one. This is the case one, and this one is, what is that? Case two. This is what? Case two. Based on that cases, if our electron is flowing, based on our cases, based on the cases of if our electron is flowing, that one is called what? That switch is nothing but, what is that? Select switch, guys. That switch is nothing but, what is that? Select switch. And that switch only we are using in our what? Programming word. That switch we are using in our what? Programming word, right? That one only we are using what? In our programming word. That one is working based on that what? That one is working based on that switch statement, right? Switch statement. Then what is the syntax now? What is the syntax now? Switch statement syntax. How we are writing that? How we are writing syntax? Syntax is what is the switch, right? Switch, and inside that we can pass expression or direct value also, right? Direct value also, we can pass direct value also. Inside that we will write cases. Inside that we will write case one. If case one is matching, then what is that? This statement should execute. This statement will execute, and after then what is that? Jump, 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 right? After then jump, now if case one, if case two is matching, then what? If case two is matching, then what? Now then what is that? Statement 2 execute and it's jump. Now if this one is matching, if not, then what is that? If any statement is not matching, then what is that? Default message should give. Default message will get, and give the break, right? Give the break now. So this is the syntax now, guys. This is the syntax of what? Switch statement. This is the syntax of what? Switch statement now, guys. Switch statement now. So based on that, just previously we seen that in the TypeScript, right? JavaScript. Now let's develop the same things in the TypeScript also. Now let's take where, or let's take where a number equal to, let's take 3. Now let's take switch. Now let's take switch. Now inside that let's pass a. Now here what is that? Let's take case 1. If case 1 is what? Now console.log. Now here what is that? 1. Now after then what? Break. Now copy this one, paste it. Now let's take 2. Now let's take 3. Now another one is what? Default one. Let's take default. Don't worry, again I'll explain clearly, guys. Console.log. Now what is that? Please enter between 1 to 3. Right? Now already we taken the 3. TSC node 3. We are getting the result. If we are taking the 4 now. If we are taking the 4 now. Now compile it. Then we will get what is the default message. What is that? Please enter between 1 to 3 now. This is the example. This is the example of what? Switch statement, guys. Now, based on this discussion, guys, don't worry. Now, our main stories is started about what? Switch statement. Now, our main stories is started about what? Switch statement. Now, if you are sitting in interview, then what is that? FAQs. Right?
Ravi, in switch syntax, you have taken as a jump, right? It's a jump or break.
Break also jump statement only. Return, jump,
Okay.
continue. These three is called what is that? Jump only. But don't worry. Again,
Okay.
again, just I taken this example. Based on that, I'm going to prepare some FAQs. In that, I will explain again these things.
Okay, Ravi.
Right? But good doubt. I appreciate you. Now let's understand. My question is, my question is, question is, what is that? Can we define, switch without default? My question is, what about? Give the answer, guys. Can we define switch without default?
No.
All
No,
are,
Ravi.
I want
No,
everyone.
no.
Everyone please give the response now, guys.
No, Ravi.
No, Ravi, no.
Yeah.
People saying in the chat box yes, and whenever by unmuting ourselves, they are saying no. Which one is correct, guys? At least what? Everyone gave the response.
We can define without a default statement also.
Yes, we can take. Answer is yes. Can we define switch without default? Yes, we can define it, guys. We can define it. Now, what is that? Now come here. Now remove it and compile it. Then if we are defining, then what is that? Fourth we are getting? We will not get any result. Simple. Nothing extra things, guys. Nothing extra things. Now nothing we are getting. If you are making here, what is that? 3, then you will get what? Result.
3.
These are the small things, guys, but these are the very important for the interview sake. Right? Now we are getting the result in this time 3 now.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So now one doubt is clear, na? Related to our what? Switch statement. Now again, I'm preparing one question, guys. Now my question is, can we define default between or above case? Means what is that? What is my question? What is my question? My question is, I'm taking this default. Let's take here instead of taking here. This is my question. Hmm? So this is only my question. We can do or no? Hmm?
If I can default.
We can or no, guys? What about others? Only one person, Rahul, is given the answer. And that answer also
Yes,
wrong.
Ravi, it will switching is happening.
Every time default
No,
will come.
Hmm?
at the end
Default
of the day, we will give the default statement.
Sri Sai Kumar, no. Okay, good. Thiru, no. It should be attained. Okay, that. Sandeep, no. That's good. What about other? Only 3 to 4 people. What about other people? Is listening Satnarayan Katha?
if that cases are not valid, then at last it will go to default. So
Hmm.
that's why we will take it at the end. That's all.
Sakti, okay, no. Most of the people is saying no, and 1 or 2 people is saying anywhere we can, right? Vaibhav is saying anywhere. Akhil Sai is saying that no, it's a syntax. Okay. Now majority of people is saying no, guys, but we can. Yes. Answer is what is that? We can declare anywhere default. We can declare anywhere default. Now see on the top I taken na, after then case 1, case 2, there is no same there is no change. The changes is there in the behavior, guys. Okay, now we taken here 4 na, and see default statement is first. Now what I'm doing now, let's compile it. Let's compile it. Now what is that? Please enter between 1 and 4. Now I'm taking what is that? Let's take 2. Now compile it. Now what we are getting 2 means what is that? It's working perfectly or not, guys? Come on, it's working perfectly now.
Yes, it's working
Yes, Ravi.
perfectly.
Now one more doubt I'm able to clear now. Now again,
Yes.
my question is can we define case without break break? Hmm? See, I taken what is that? See, I taken break. Here also I taken break. Here
Yes.
also I taken break.
Okay.
So that is my
Yes.
doubt. That is my doubt. If I remove break, it will work.
Yes, Ravi, but both the cases.
Hmm?
Yes, Ravi, but both the cases it will execute it. Next case is
Yeah.
also
It will
execute.
continue.
And it will
Yeah.
go to
Yes, we can.
default also.
Very good. Very good. That is a yes. We can do it. Our question is what is that? Our answer is yes. Answer is yes. Answer is yes. What is that? What is that? Our answer is what? Yes. If break, break, what is that? Not there, right? Not defined. Defined, right? Defined, right? Not defined. Then what is that? It will stop at what is that? Next break. Clear? It will stop at a next break. Just what I'm saying now. Let's remove it, guys. I'm removing it. Now, what is that? 2 and 3 result we will get. 2 and 3 result we will get. Now, let's compile it. What we are getting now, guys? 2 or 3 now, because in the first 2 case, right? Because we are it's jumping to the directly to switch na case in number 2. Now it's executed. Here break is not there. Then what is that? It's a process is still. Now sudden what is that? It will call what is that? Third and third. Here in the third break is there. So that is the reason our control will stop here itself only. Clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, guys. So now again, what is that? What is my question? Now my question is, now can can be used written instead of break? Come on, this is my question.
No, Ravi.
This is
Syntax,
my
sir.
all I want everyone response, guys. Yes,
No,
possible.
Ravi.
Vaibhav is saying possible. Thiru is saying yes, Ravi. Return will terminate the switch. Yes, continue. Yes.
No.
Yes,
Sandeep
Ravi.
is saying yes. Don't search on the internet or Google. Don't take the help of that, guys. Okay. Here I'm not taking your interview and I didn't say that please share your screen and write the program, right? If I'm not giving that permission, okay, I'm using the chat box. I'm giving one scenario. Please write the program and put in the chat box. So if this kind of scenario is there, then what we are doing now? Suddenly we are searching on the Google. I didn't share the screen. I can search that question related answer and I can no. So don't think about that. If you're searching on the Google everything, your brain will not become strong, guys. Okay. Don't depend everything for the everything Google only. Put some at least whenever you guys are learning something at the time, don't use that. Later for that Google is there now. So give the response now, guys. So many interview question I'm like preparing, guys. Okay, I'm going to prepare so much, but based on your curiosity, based on your dedication, I can. If you guys are giving the response, then only. Otherwise, if I'm thinking about that, I'm wasting the time, then I will stop it directly. I will jump to next level. And these are the definitely, if you are sitting in the interview, definitely these questions will come. I never ask
So written also jump statement, so we can use.
Yeah, we can use it, guys. Jump a statement only. Written also jump a statement. So we can use it, guys. I never, whenever I'm taking interview, guys, I never ask any tough question. Just these things only I'm asking. That any time if I'm taking the interview, I never ask bigger things. Just small things. These things, if this scenario, these things is possible or not. If that person is able to give this kind of answer, I'm selecting those people. Right now our now we can say that what we can say our answer is what is that? Yes, we can take it, right? Now we can take it. Now again explanation I will give. I will show that as a practical, guys. Now but based on that one only, again I'm preparing one more question. Now what is difference between break and what is that? Return. Now anyone can tell, because here people said that what is that? This is also a statement only, right? Jump statement.
Yes, sir, I know the difference.
Okay, so if you know, he's very well. That is the reason every time. Okay, tell me.
Sir, break statement will not terminate the switch execution flow. It will jump to the next condition.
Hmm.
And if we are using a return statement in a switch condition,
Hmm.
then it will terminate the switch condition and its execution flow out of the switch.
Very good. Good. Right now, I'll show that those things as a practical also. Again, I will take that same example and I'll show you. Don't worry. Now, what is that? Let's take break. Break, right? Break will terminate. Break will terminate the block, guys. Block. But what is that? But stays inside what is that? Function. Inside function. But return will terminate the block, right? Block and compilation, terminate the block and compilation. It cleans up memory. Cleans up memory, guys. Memory. Now I'll show you that how it's working. How it's working now, guys. So now again come here. This is the examples we wrote now. JavaScript example. Come on, guys. This JavaScript examples we wrote now.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. Now, what I'm doing now, guys, here I'm taking, what is that? Here I'm taking, just monitor it. Here I'm taking, let's take return. See, everywhere, what is that? Which block is there? Break statement is there, na?
Yes.
Now here I taken return. Now, this is the example now. This is the example now. Now inspect it. Come inside that source. We kept here that break, right? And here we are taking, what is that? 3 na? Come on, guys. 3 na?
Yes.
3.
Refresh, Ravi, that code.
Refresh.
Yeah, I'm
Refresh.
refreshing now. See, our control is here na?
Yes.
And
Yes,
we
sir.
are holding the value as a 3. Now what I'm doing now, 3 means what is that? This block na, guys?
Yes, case 3.
After execution of
11.
break will happen na. Now see, next, where the control is came now, guys? Here na.
3.
Now
Yes.
next,
Yes.
it's came in the break na. Now next, now where the control is going now, guys? Inside the function only na. Come on, control is here na. After execution of break,
Yes.
after execution of break statement, where the control now, guys?
Function.
Inside function.
Inside the function, right? See, this is the switch statement block. This is the switch statement block, and this block is a function. Means it's a terminated. It's a terminated the switch statement, right? Come on, it's a terminated the switch statement. But in this time,
Yes.
what I'm going to do now? Guys? Now here I taken the 3 now. Let's take 2. If I take 2, then what will happen now? This block will execute and a return statement now. Monitor it. You guys will get. Now 3 we are getting now. Now what I'm doing now? Now inspect again. Source again. Put your toggle refresh first. Now control is came here na. 1 minute still. Yeah,
Yes.
screen is becoming blank. Control is came here na,
Yes.
guys. Come on. Now
Yes.
in this time, how much value? 2 na.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Now
Yes.
which case will
Case
execute?
2.
Case number 2, and the
Case 2.
in the case number 2, what is that? Return is there na.
Yes. Yes.
Now stepping out. Control came inside that case too, na?
Yes.
Now again I'm taking what is that? Stepping to return. Control came on the return, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Now focus on this. Now I'm taking this one a C. Sorry. C. Where control is came out of function, it came or not,
Out of
guys?
function.
Previously,
Yes, Ravi.
whenever we are taking the control is there inside that function, but whenever we are taking return, then it's coming from the out of what? Out of function or not? Means what is that? If we needed return any data from the function, for that sake we are using what is that? Return. This is the difference, guys. Means, but break is not giving that permission to reuse the data from the function, but what is that? Return is giving the what is that facility to reuse their data, that function data, to outside also. Clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Ravi.
That one means what is that? This one only I shown na. Break will terminate the block but stay inside that block. Come on, guys.
But the
If-
break is
Yes, Ravi.
also end of the break, right, Ravi?
Array, what is that? What I wrote? Break will terminate the block means what is that? This case also one block only, na? People are getting?
Yes.
Yes,
See,
Ravi.
switch statement also block and function also block. Come on. But what is that? This block, inside this block only, right? Inside this block, this cases also block only, guys. This cases also, this case 2 block, this case 3 block, and this case 1 block. So this one is terminating what is that? This block, but still it's staying in that. What is that? Still it's in staying in that. What is that? Function block itself only. But whenever we are taking return, it's coming out from that. What is that? Function block also. Come on, that one only I wrote here. See, block, it will terminate the block but stay inside that function block. What I wrote? Control was whenever we are using the break, but whenever we are using the return, it will terminate the block and the compilation also. It clears up the memory. It's a clears up the memory. Means what is that? This memory also, if this function is terminated, means what is that? This function related memory will cleared or not? Come on.
Yes.
So, yeah. So that one only explained here, guys. Okay. Now, okay. Now my question is one more question I'm preparing, guys. One more question. So can we define case value as a string? Case value as a string. Now give the answer now. Okay, 1 minute again.
Yes, we can
Yes.
define.
Okay, again I'm increasing. Say, then what type of value? What are you doing, Vaibhav? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
noise is happening.
Oh, sorry.
Now, what type of values are acceptable? Case, right? Acceptable cases, right? Acceptable. Right? Accepted, right? Accepted. Let's take accepted. Accepted, right? Accepted. This is the question. My question is what? This is the question now, guys. So now next what we will do it now, guys. So now can anyone tell? Someone is raised the hand now. Who's that person?
Sir Vaibhav.
Yeah, Vaibhav, tell me.
Sir, we can take a case value as a string but it will accept only Boolean values.
Hmm. Okay. No
Only
issue, guys.
only Boolean value.
Okay. Now answer is case can accept. Case can accept. What is that? Case can accept what? Case can accept what is that? Answer is what is that? Number B, number and string string and what is that? Boolean
Boolean.
and what is that? And what is that? D as a expression, right? Expression. Now these things is accepting, but expression can return what is that? Should return, right? Should return number or string or boolean or boolean. Then only we can take those things in the case now, guys. Then only we can take those things in the case only, right? Case only. Like for example, now what is that? Case one, right? Case one also we can take, for example, case a as a string, right? As a string we can take right now. We can take like this also. Case now s like that also we can take it now, guys. Case we can take like what is that? 1 plus 2, that is the expression which one is returning as a number only. This one also we can take this one like that also. Case, let's take 10 is less than 20. This one is returning, this case is returning what is the? True and false na, guys. True and false na. True and false. This one also it can return, right? It can return. And as simple we can take true also. These many possibilities there, guys, whenever we are handling the case statement. Case statement, right? Case statement. Now again I'm asking, people are feeling bored again and again. I'm asking the question related this one. Huh?
No, no.
No, Ravi.
No, Ravi.
All are interview related question only, guys. Okay, now let's understand another. My question is what is that? 7th one, right? Now if what is that? Case, if case is what is that? String. If case is a string, I will show this one as a practical also, guys. Don't worry about that. If you guys are feeling bored, everything is theory only, we will do the practical on that. Now is it case sensitive? Is it case sensitive? Then how
Yes,
to handle various capitalized Now if case is a string, then is it case sensitive? Then how to handle various capitalize? My question is this one, guys. My question is this one. I will write the example. I will show it, guys, how it's working. Now just what is that? Now our answer. First I'm writing the answer. Based on that I will show these things as a practical now, guys. Case string, right? Case string if we are taking, then what is that? Case string are allowed. Always case sensitive. Now we can convert or change the case. case we can